I'm on my way to the McCoy's house. I'm on Shiloh Ridge right now. Traveling for 8 hours.
In a quarter mile, continue straight onto Shiloh Ridge.
Oh, hear that? This looks pretty schmancy.
Continue on Shiloh Ridge for 3/4 of a mile.
Okay, the gate was open. Security up here in Shiloh Ridge is weak. Oh, look at this. It's hotter here than Malibu. It's 86 outside.
In a quarter mile, turn left to stay on Shiloh Ridge. Continue on Shiloh Ridge for 2 miles.
Okay, I got through the gate, so I got that going for me. Oak trees around here, beautiful old oaks. Nothing for a while, but I'm still 1.7 miles away. Man, this place is huge. I want to walk up here from, the entrance. So, will they allow a Subaru in this neighborhood? Okay, we got about a quarter mile to the McCoys. Oh, traffic.
Your destination is on the left.
Okay, it's got a pond, a lake up here. Now, how do we? Man. There he is, the master of the house. I'm in the casita of the McCoy household. Yeah, this is I think I may be moving in here permanently. It's got its own little kitchen, bathroom, and this goes outside to the outside. This is the outside kitchen and stuff. More bathroom tour also. Very nice. What's out the window? The backyard. Very nice.
Oh, hello, look at you. We're dapper.
Oh yes, oh yeah, you're a good boy. You're a good boy. You're a good boy. Come on, let's go in here. It's the backyard. This is the wine cellar in here. Here's the view they have out the front. So, Spencer, this is incredible out here.
Yeah, it's really pretty. This is just a little local lake. This is Lake Shiloh, which is a little local lake just for the community. But literally, there's only like a few houses that actually have a view of the lake, so it's really special to have. So it's nice. I'll show you. Over there is where I'm hoping to put my putting green in. in there. It just looked terrible, so I made that all a succulent garden. Those two in the corner in the blue pots, I wanted to get some more succulents. So I went to this place that I found online, and literally it was like somebody's house, and they were like the fucking Addams Family. Yeah.
Fireplace, sitting area. This is Spencer's office in here.
This is where nothing happens.
Yeah, this is where I can see there's nothing.
This is where work never happens.
Guys,
this is a little guest bedroom.
very
In
nice.
front of the big, scary Lord of the Rings tree.
There, I think there's orcs in there, man.
That's a nice bedroom.
And there is an upstairs, but I'm too tired to go up there.
Or move.
So what?
Or we can just move.
Yeah.
How's generator, man?
It's crazy.
Okay, I'm following him to the clip. Okay. Going into the golf course. I had to check in to get in here. Holy crap, it's like a couple miles from the entrance to the golf course to the golf course. So there's houses up here near the course, or is this like casitas for people visiting, I guess? Oh God. Okay, I'm leaving the club right now, and you can get a little idea of what the neighborhood looks like. That's the McCoys in front of me. It's literally 1.6 miles from the gate entrance up to the country club. Okay, I'm leaving. It was literally like 9/10 of a mile from the entrance to the country club back to the front gate. Wow. Anyways, beautiful country up there. Had a great time at Spencer's. Thank you guys, both of you.